What's up, everybody? It's Brandon with, I can't take off my seatbelt so you can see the full logo, but Eco Solutions Junk Removal LLC, centralized here in Southern California, Inland Empire, serving Orange County, Inland Empire, and surrounding areas. I'm jumping on the freeway because I'm gonna go get rid of this AC unit that I dismantled for its aluminum and copper properties, and getting rid of the steel, which you get absolutely no money for right now. So I'll probably get like $5-10 for that unit, which is rather large. And I got to be out and about promoting the business and marketing, and always looking for work. But real quick, I just had a little bit of a rant, a little complaint, a little grievance, an ailment, if you will. Got this guy in my neighborhood. He's another junk guy, and he is plastering my neighborhood with his yard signs. And this guy is, in fact, I'm not even going to say who it is. I'm not going to say the phone number, but he's pissing me off. And if I see him at the dump again, I'm probably, because I parked right next to this guy and I recognized his logo and his number. He probably didn't even realize it was me, because my truck isn't wrapped apart from just my magnet and the fences that I have up with junk removal painted on them. But anyways, this guy is taking my yard signs down and putting his up, and that was something that I was going to try not to do. So I had to retaliate. I had to rip his shit down, and some of his signs were so fucking high that I had to jump in the back of my truck and use my crowbar to knock them down. But next, if I ever see this guy at the dump, I'm probably going to say something like, "Brozo." That's like, you're going against rule number one. That's the golden rule, bro. We don't fuck with each other's marketing. I mean, this is my livelihood. This is your livelihood. You're not even from the area. You're a 714 phone number, okay? And you're posting in a neighborhood where everyone has a truck and a trailer, and the dump is right down the street. So why the fuck are you putting your yard signs up everywhere? There's like 10 per on one block, up on electrical poles and light poles and stop signs. You got yard signs staked in the ground. It's like everywhere. And anyways, you're imposing on my block. This is my hood, and knock that shit off. But in other news, I'm not finding that yard signs work very well for me anyways. So I am kind of just bitching to bitch. And yard signs are not cheap. They're relatively expensive, and I know everybody does this one marketing place, Easy Signs or something like that. I tend to use Vistaprint for all of my marketing supplies, because as soon as I hit a certain number in the cart, then I get like anywhere from 10 to 30% discount on my total order with free shipping. So Vistaprint is my place to go for yard signs and flyers and business cards. But anyways, just a word to the wise: if you're a junk guy, or if you're a pressure washing guy, or if you're a landscaper, don't be taking other people's yard signs down. Okay, I felt bad taking down the yard sign in retaliation because I felt like I was stooping to his level. But anyways, all right guys, I'm gonna go get rid of this AC unit, get my measly $5-7 for it. But you gotta recycle, bro. We gotta be eco-friendly out there. Keep pushing, keep hustling. Talk to you guys soon. Peace. Boom.